The title of my repair is repairing a wobbly chair. As you can see, this chair is a bit wobbly. Then later on, we're going to find out what caused this chair to make it a little wobbly. Safety and precaution. First, always make sure that the chair is stable before working. Then, use tools carefully to avoid injury. Then finally, keep tools away from children. My materials are a screwdriver, second, replacement screws, which I'm going to find one if they fit. Then third is wood glue. It's optional because it depends on material, but we can use it since this is plastic. My procedures are, first, flip the chair over the table to find the loose screw. Then, search for a replacement screw that will fit. This one looks a bit small, so that wouldn't fit. This screw looks perfect. Then, tighten the screw with the use of a screwdriver like this. Since I'm done with these two loose screws, I have to make sure if the other screws are well screwed or stabilized. Okay, now let's check the chair if it's not wobbly anymore. Now this chair is perfectly stabilized. Thank you for watching.